back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. Do you see this? Yes, it's Christmas. And today, I'm your Santa, and I'll be bringing you a gift, which is me. I'm just kidding. But Merry Christmas, everyone, and in this video, I'll be delivering your gift to you, and your gift is some pieces of information. I am all about sharing knowledge with everyone, especially things that I wish I knew. So in this video, I'll be telling you how you, yes you, can get your learner's permit as a teen in Jamaica. And stick around to the end of the video because I will also be telling you how you can get your debit card even if you're not 18 as yet. If you love this gift, please give me my gift by subscribing and just liking this video. And if you want more videos like this, just tell me in the comments and I'll deliver to you before next Christmas. Okay. I actually did not know this. Like, I knew once you were 17 you could just get your learner's permit, but I did not know that it was this simple, which is why I avoided it for so long. But guys, once I got serious, I got mine in 1 week. And I thought it was this thing where you just have to apply and you have to wait for so long and then you have to study for months, and then I just thought it wasn't really simple, but it really was. And guys, I didn't need my parents, I didn't need anyone. You can do this yourself. So let me just get into it. So first, you have to go to the office and you need to get this form. Now this form is basically, it has a medical section that you have to take to the doctor. It has a section that you need signed by a JP just to confirm your address, and you also have this section that you have to fill out. Next, you need 3 passport size pictures signed and stamped by a JP. You can just get that done when you're getting the form filled out. When you go to the office, just ask them when you can schedule your exam for, pick a date, pick a time, and just show up. You need your birth certificate, you need your TRN, and you also need some other form of identification like your passport, something with your picture on it. That's all you need, and you can get all of this in one day. I got my pictures taken, I got my pictures signed, I got my medical done, and I also got the form signed by the JP within a day. So you can do it as well. Yeah, just put all of that in a little envelope for when you're going back to the station. Now, what you need to do next is to study for the test, and a good resource is the road code book. You can access this book for free online, just read it. It will have the signs, some rules of the road that you need to know, and basically just everything. Also, I'll be putting the name of a YouTube channel on the screen that really helps me to study. I studied for this test in 3 days. Like, I just took 20 minutes every day to watch the video, to read some of the questions from the book. That's all I did, and I also went through some signs on Wikipedia, and I passed the test. The test will be 20 multiple choice questions, and you need to get at least 15 out of this 20 to pass your test. Please take all the documents listed and do the test. I honestly finished in like 10 minutes, and then you just wait for them to mark it, and when you pass, which I know you will, they will give you this sealed envelope. Do not open it, to take to the tax office, and you go down there, you pay $1,800, and you have your learner's permit. But something that you should know, when you're taking your pictures, just ensure that you look cutesy, because that's a picture that will be going on it. So just ensure that the picture looks nice to you. Like, if you care about that, then that's something to note. Also, this is completely free. Taking the test is free, getting the form is free. The only thing you have to pay for is your medical, because you have to pay the doctor to do that. You also need to pay for your pictures. The JP should be free. I heard that some of them actually charge money, but they're not supposed to. Mine didn't. But actually taking the test is completely free, and yeah, you just have to pay to get it at the tax office. Now, some things that you should know: you don't have to go to the tax office to get it immediately. You can wait for like months, and it doesn't. Okay, so the permit is valid for 1 year, right? But That time only starts when you go and pay for it. So you can have the envelope for like, I don't know, however long, and it won't run out or expire unless you go and pay for it. So when you actually go to get the physical permit, then that's when it starts to expire. You are allowed to get your license 6 months after, once you're 18. So you can get this permit as soon as you turn 17, and yes, you have to be 17, unfortunately. And then just wait, as soon as you're 18, it'll be 6 months and you'll be able to get your license. So while you have this permit, you'll be able to take driving classes and prepare for the real thing. You cannot drive alone with this permit. Please do not do that. Do the right thing and drive with somebody who have one legit license. It's legit, but you just can't drive alone with it. So that's literally it. You can get this within 1 week. I did not know that it was that simple. Just get your documents, ensure that you have everything, go to the office, take the test, and go pay for it at the tax office. And now you have your learner's permit. Period. If you don't have your TRN, this is one next thing you can get within a day. And all you need is, I believe, one passport size picture. I don't remember how many. But before you go and get your TRN, you can go to the tax office and find out what you need. But if you're going to the tax office, please go early as possible, because that place is always full. So just go ask them what you need, get the form, fill it out, and then come back. So you can also get your TRN within 1 day. You won't get the physical card, but you'll get this paper with the number and you can use it. And they will accept that at the office. See, that's one Christmas gift, guys, from me to you. Now, don't leave. I'll be telling you how you can get your debit card even if you're not 18 as yet. I did not know this. I really didn't. But as soon as I found out, I just knew that I had to get on that. I always thought that I would have to be 18 to have my card, and I want my card. I love to shop online, but my parents, you know how Jamaican parents say, they're like, no, I don't want nobody scam me, I don't want them to give me cat. And that's a good thing, because some people really do steal your information. But I want to shop online, and they don't want me to shop online, so I had to get my card. And I didn't know that it was possible until I actually saw my friend who was younger than me, and she had her card. So I was like, how did you get that? And she's like, oh, I just went down to the bank with my mom, with my documents. So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna do that. So that I did. One thing I would advise you to do before you go is call the bank to ensure that you have everything you need. Even if you think you have everything, please call the bank. These are some things that I brought with me, and I have a Scotia card, by the way. So other banks may have different requirements, but this is what I did to get my card from Scotia. So first, you need a parent. If you're under 18, then you need a parent. Your parent needs their identification, they need proof of income, they need their TRN, also need proof of address. However, if they have something else with their address on it, like their ID or TRN, that can work. So they don't need to like get a utility bill or anything. But if they don't have that, then they'll definitely need a utility bill. Now for you need your identification. So you need your birth paper, and you also need other form of identification. You also need your TRN. Your TRN is very important, guys. Go get it. If you haven't already, please go get a TRN. You can get it at any age. Even if you're not at the age for the learners as yet, you can get a TRN. You can get a TRN when you're 1 year old. You can even get one in the womb. Well, I don't know about that, but I don't know, maybe. You also need at least $5,000 to put in your account. So please ensure that you have that. I can't remember if it's 5,000 or 1,000, but just bring 5,000 to be safe. When it's time to choose the type of account that you want, you have to take into consideration what you need the account for. So if you need a card to make day-to-day payments, to do transfers, it's best that you pick a checking day-to-day account. With an account like that, you can do transactions and the tax will be lower. But if you want to just save and you don't intend to really spend your money like that, get a savings account However, if you try to do day-to-day things with a saving account, the tax will be much higher, so pick your account wisely. And you just get to the bank, please. You don't need an appointment, but just get there early. Get there as soon as the bank opens. Guys, I got there before the bank opened, like 15 minutes, and it was already a long line. So just get there really early. You go to the teller, tell them that you're there to open an account. They'll take your info, take your parents' info, they'll take your documents. It took me an hour, so it's gonna take a while, but it'll be worth it. So after that, you have your account. You'll also have your debit card, and you'll be able to shop online like me. But once you get your card, please be responsible, and also sign in on your phone. Online banking is the best. I can buy myself credit. I don't remember the last time I actually went to buy credit. You can do a lot with online banking, but as I was saying, please be responsible with your money. Please be responsible with your card. Protect your card. Don't let anyone tap it. Don't let anyone see your information. Please keep your card covered. People cannot be trusted, so just secure your belongings. I hope I didn't leave anything out, but that's how you can get your debit card under 18 in Jamaica, and how you can also get your learner's permit. So now, you're not an adult yet, but you have your card, and you also have your learner's permit. And that's because of my little Christmas gift to you. I hope I didn't leave anything out in this video. Please keep watching to see if I add anything at the end, because if I'm editing and I realize that I left anything out, you know that I will put it as a third little Christmas gift. So please remember to give me a gift as well, and yes, may I beg gifts. And your gift to me is to like this video and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy your holidays. I know that you're going to miss me, but don't worry, I'll be back. And I'll see you guys in the next video.